ready to send your finalized contracts like a pro, securely and efficiently. Let's dive into how to send contracts on Pandadoc. First things first, is your contract ready to go? This means it's finalized with all your terms and agreements clearly laid out. You can either upload an existing document like a PDF or Word file, or start from scratch using Pandadoc's templates. Next, we need to prepare your contract for your client. This is where you add fields for them to interact with. Click on the Add Fields button. You'll find options for adding signatures, text input for names and dates, checkboxes, and more. Drag and drop the required fields directly onto your document where your client needs to fill or sign. For example, drag a signature field to the signature line and a text field for their printed name. Crucially, assign each field to the correct recipient if you have multiple signers. Make sure each field is designated for the right person. This ensures everyone knows exactly where to contribute. Once all fields are placed and assigned, it's time to send. Locate and click on the prominent Send button, usually found at the top right of your Pandadoc interface. A Send dialog box will appear here. You'll enter your client's email address, a subject line for the email, and a brief, personalized message. This message sets the tone, so make it professional and clear. Double-check everything, especially the recipient's email address, and then hit that final Send button. Congratulations, your contract is now on its way. Pandadoc will now track the document's progress, notifying you as your client views and signs it. Streamlining your sales and legal workflows, that's how you expertly send contracts using Pandadoc.